Hello friends. Today we are going to deal about Save Silent Valley movement, which is one of the movements that have occurred in our Kerala, that is at Silent Valley. Before going to the movement, we should know what you mean by environmental movement. As the name suggests that it is a social or political movement for the conservation of environment or for the improvement of the state of the environment. It is a movement that is for the conservation of environment or it is performed by the people for the improvement of the existing state of the environment. Save Silent Valley movement. Before saying something about the Save Silent Valley movement, we should know where is Silent Valley and what are its peculiarities and what were the problems that are faced by the people to protest against it and also who initiated the Silent Valley movement and what were the outcomes. Let's discuss it one by one. Silent Valley. Silent Valley is one of the evergreen tropical forests in Palakkad district of Kerala in India. It is located at the core of the Nilgiri Hills, which is rich in biodiversity and is famous for its unique and diverse flora and fauna. Silent Valley is located in Nilgiri Hills. It is rich in biodiversity and there is different types of flora and fauna. It is a silent valley which is the only home to the largest population of the endangered species named lion-tailed macaque. In the background, you can see the picture of lion-tailed macaque. It is an endangered species. Endangered species means the species which can be seen only in one place or they are not present in any other places. It is the lion-tailed macaque which is present only in the Silent Valley. And there is a river that is flowing through this silent valley named Kundipura. It is all about silent valleys. And what were the problems that are arrived in the silent valley? In 1970, KSEB, Kerala State Electricity Board, proposed a 240 megawatt hydroelectric project over this river, Kundipura, which will submerge 8.3 square kilometers of the Silent Valley, and the work began in 1976. In 1970, KSEB they proposed a hydroelectric project over the Skundipura river, and the people fear that it will submerge 8.3 square kilometers of the Silent Valley. The work of this hydroelectric project was began in 1976. I have already told it. The work began with the approval of the Planning Commission in February 1973 at a cost of about 25 crore. It was approved by Planning Commission too. But the people they feared that it will submerge 8.3 square kilometers of the biodiversity of Silent Valley and will disturb the ecosystem through the destruction of wide varieties of flora and fauna. As I have already told that it is a silent valley which is rich in biodiversity and there are varieties of flora and fauna. If this hydroelectric project enter in this place, then it will submerge or it will disturb this ecosystem and will destroy the 8.3 square kilometers of this area and which it will be a destruction for this place. Hence, by understanding all this, many environmentalists protested against this. School teachers, commoners, everyone, they came together to protest against this and started a movement named Save Silent Valley Movement in 1978. It was under the leadership of KSSP, Kerala Shastra Sahitya Parishad, which is an NGO, non government organization and several others, as I have already told that the school teachers, commoners, and many other people that joined with them. The famous poet and activist Sugata Kumari, she also played an important role in this protest through her poem Marathinu Studi, an ode to a tree. The main aim of this protest was that to protect the moist evergreen forest of the Silent Valley from being destroyed by a hydroelectric project. The main aim was to protect our Silent Valley from this project as it will destroy the ecosystem. This movement attained a public attention and Prime Minister Indira Gandhi approved the project with the condition that the state government ensure the necessary safeguards. IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature, passed a resolution commanding the protection of lion-tailed macaque in Silent Valley. It is an endangered species, it is the only home for its existence. On November 1983, a multidisciplinary committee submitted a report to the central government. Hence, the central government decided to cancel the hydroelectric project. On 1st September 1986, Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi declared Silent Valley as National Park and a long-term protection was provided. Here we can see different types of wide varieties of Silent Valley. Here you can see the entry and also at the top and you can see the lion-tailed macaque which is an endangered species present in Silent Valley. And though you can see Kundipura and also several other different types of flora and fauna present in Silent Valley. I think that all of you could understand what is Silent Valley and what are the problems that led to this movement and what are the outcomes as a result of this movement. Thank you.